select a manual mode like handwheel. Yeah. What we can do from there is we can select a spindle. So for example, the left-hand spindle. Yeah. Below it you select direction, which is clockwise, and then press your green button to start it. Yeah. That started your main spindle. If you just hit stop on that, yeah. Central button is your driven tool. Obviously you've got to have a driven tool in place, and then you're still in clockwise, and that's started your driven tool. Stop your driven tool, and then if you put the right hand one, yeah, now you're starting your sub-spindle clockwise, yeah. So if you stop that, and now if you want to use your C-axis on the left hand side, press that button there, yeah. That's your C-axis on your left hand side. Then you can select C on your selector there, yeah, and then you're on hand wheel, and then when you turn that, that's rotating your C-axis, okay. And obviously likewise you can do the same on the sub-spindle. If you press the right hand one, now you've engaged the C on the sub-spindle, and now when you rotate that, you're rotating your sub. If you switch to jog, so press your jog button, yeah, and then if you press the button on there that says C, yeah, press and hold that, and that's rotating at the jog feed rate. And that will wrap it as well if you press the yellow button in the middle. If you press and hold that as you're pressing the C, that's your wrapper. Okay? So that's all your axes going.